Hey crew, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, it is Saturday morning, you are still in bed with coffee and your lawn is already getting a perfect stripe pattern, no wires to bury, no loud gas engine, no sweat. That is exactly what the brand new eufy robot lawnmower E15 is doing for thousands of yards right now. If you are tired of weekend mowing chores or paying a lawn service every month, stick around because this wire-free app-controlled beast might just give you your weekends back forever. And yes, grab it with the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost. Let us roll. First, let us break down why the eufy E15 is blowing up the robot mower game. It is completely boundary wire free, using ultra-wideband RTK and vision AI to map your yard in minutes with centimetre level accuracy. It handles up to half an acre on one charge, automatically creates multi-zone plans, and cuts between 0.8 and 4 inches with a floating 9-blade deck that follows every bump for an even finish. Rain sensor sends it home when drops fall, anti-theft GPS tracks it, and the app lets you set schedules, no-go zones, stripe patterns, and even control it manually like a remote control car. The 4,500 mAh battery gives about 2.5 hours of mowing and auto docks to recharge. At only 58 decibels, it is quieter than a conversation, and IPX5 water resistance means you can hose it down. Setup is stupid simple. Charge the base, open the eufy Clean app, drive it around your perimeter once with your phone, and it remembers everything forever. I tested it on my half-acre yard with flower beds, a hill, and odd corners. It mapped perfectly on the first try and has been mowing flawless stripes every week since. Honestly, it is the laziest lawn upgrade I have ever made. Now, there are pros and cons because I keep it 100. Pros, no wires ever, half-acre coverage on one charge, AI avoids toys and pets like a champ, super quiet, rain sensor actually works, app is clean and powerful, floating deck gives pro-level cut, auto recharge, and resume anti-theft tracking. Cons, upfront price is around $800 to $900 depending on sales, needs a decent phone signal for initial mapping, very thick or tall grass the first cut still needs a traditional mower. Replacement blades every season are about $30. Those are tiny complaints when you never mow again. Do I recommend the eufy robot lawnmower E15? 1000% yes, especially if you have up to half an acre, hate mowing, or just want the coolest lawn on the block. The wire-free freedom and perfect stripes make every penny worth it for busy families, retirees, or anyone who values their weekends. If that is you, click the link in the description right now and get yours rolling. Quick call to action. If robot lawn bosses get you pumped, smash subscribe and the bell so you never miss the next game changer. Clicking that affiliate link helps the channel huge and costs you nothing extra. One last reminder, grab the eufy robot lawnmower E15 through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this just saved your weekends, drop a like, share with a lawn-hating friend, or subscribe for more. Happy not mowing!